Hey guys, welcome back to Texas Mommy. My name is Amanda if this is your first time here. And today what we're going to be doing is a unbagging. This actually was highly requested. So make sure you stick around, that way you can see all the goodies I got. Just so you know guys, there's some good goodies. I got some Bath & Body Works and I got some Morphe. So make sure you continue watching guys. So we're going to do this first just because it's a bigger bag, as you can see guys. So let me just show y'all. Not only do we have that, we have Morphe. And this is my very first time going. I didn't even know that there was a Morphe store where I live. I mean, it was a drive guys. It was a drive, but it was so worth it because, oh my gosh. So we're going to leave Morphe for last because it's just like one thing. But Bath & Body Works, this is one of my favorite go-to places, guys. So, what we have first off is we have some soap, hand soap. So this one is the Fresh Sparkling Snow. So, like I said, we have this one. And then we have this one, which is a gentle foaming hand soap for eucalyptus mint with coconut oil. And we have this one that is the Peach Bellini with coconut oil. I probably pronounced that wrong, guys, but it's cool. And then we have, finally, I'm so excited about this, guys, to put my candles in. I've been wanting one of these forever. And just FYI, some of this stuff in here, my best friend actually got me. And then some of the stuff I did buy. So I just wanted to let y'all know that if she's watching, no, I am very thankful. I know you watch some of my videos, girl. And yeah, I'm absolutely in love with this. So next we have some body spray called Forever Red. And it's just your fragrant mist right here. And then let's do our lotions. So if you did not know, guys, they did have the lotions day where all the lotions were $2.95, and I went just a tad crazy. Not bad, not that bad. I only spent like $14, but I also bought one thing extra that wasn't a lotion. But let me go back to lotions. So this one I actually got for my daughter, and this is the Vanilla Bean Noel because she's so basic and loves vanilla. Like that's, I don't know where she got that from, guys, because I am not basic, but okay. Then we have some Happy Vibes, which my best friend actually had showed me this one. She has this. And oh my gosh, guys, this smells amazing. It's just like, I don't know, it's a wake up scent that like, you just smell it and it's like, cool, I got energy, let's go. And then of course we had to get some Frosted Coconut Snowball because if you don't know, guys, I love coconut. I love the smell of coconut. I just love the way it smells. Coconut, eating it tastes good. It's just I'm too lazy to actually have to crack it. And I love this one too, guys. I know, love is like my biggest word I use all the time now. And then last but not least, we got the Snowflakes in Cashmere, which I love this one too. Guys, this smells like a rich person. I know that sounds bad probably, but I promise this smells like someone that's like really rich would wear this. Which I'm not really rich, but hey, we can always pretend, right? And then, let's see, I think I have one more thing in here that's not a candle, but I can't find it. So let's go into our candles. This is the Red Velvet Cupcake. It literally smells like a cupcake, guys. That's the one thing I love about Bath & Body Works candles is it smells exactly like you would envision it smelling. So this one actually had requested because my husband loves red velvet cake. So even though I'm going to make it for him, he can smell it. So that's always good. Oh, there is my little thingy I got. Of course, we got to get some hand sanitizer, and we got the most basic one ever that my daughter probably will steal from me because it is the Warm Vanilla Sugar Hand Sanitizer. And again, with her basic self, she loves anything that is vanilla. And then, oh my God, guys, I love this one. So I got this one last year. Before I show you what it is, guys, I got this last year, and it took me so long to actually burn it because I loved the way it smelled so much that I didn't want to give it up. And every time I would go back to Bath & Body Works, they did not have it in stock. And a lot of times they say they'll rename something and they'll still have it there. I could never find this. I've only ever been able to find this candle in December. November, December is when they've always come out with it. This, guys, is the Campsite Coffee, which if you've never smelled it before, it literally smells like you're walking into Starbucks. It smells so good. I love this one. And I love the little sticker on front. It has a little deer on it. And it has a little canoe. But oh my god, guys. That's like, and then I look at this top. That is so cute. I love how Bath & Body Works does have the tops that are really cute. That way, if you ever want to save your container and use it for something else, you can. And last but not least, we got flannel with this cute, really cute owl on it that has a scarf on it. And I love this one too, guys. This one is amazing. It kind of smells like a guy, but hey, it smells really good though. Not like, you know, a stinky guy. It smells like a good guy. You know, like the kind you would like, you know, after they get out of the shower and they smell all nice. That's what this smells like, guys. So that is all of my Bath & Body Works stuff. So let's, you know what, we're going to leave it all out. And that way we can show you, if I don't break it, right? I can show you the Morphe. So again, guys, this is, oh, I'm so excited. I haven't even opened this. Okay, guys, so I'm filming this about 3 days since I have bought this. I have not opened it. I have not gotten to play in it because I've been waiting to film for you guys to share this with you because I'm so in love with this. And before I actually show you guys, I have to give you the backstory to this, okay? So my best friend and I actually had gone to Ulta looking at the different eyeshadow palettes, and she had found this specific one that she was absolutely in love with. Guess what? They were out of stock. Not only were they out of stock, we literally called every Ulta around Houston, Texas, even outside of Houston, Texas, to find this palette. Sold out. Online, sold out. Everywhere was sold out, guys. It was crazy. But she really, really wanted this palette. And so we finally got a hold and found out we had a Morphe by us. And it was amazing. So we actually ended up going with both of my best friends. And we all three ended up buying the same palette, guys, which is hilarious. But let me not keep y'all any longer. Let's bring out the Morphe palette. Yes, it gets a special noise because it's so awesome. So this is the 35F Fall into Frost. And as you can see, guys, it is still very much in the box. I haven't opened it and I've been dying to open it. Like, look at this, guys. I have the bubble wrap, okay? I was not kidding when I said I had not opened this. So, oh, this is my very first Morphe palette. I'm so happy. And even better, guys, it was on sale. I didn't even pay full price for it. It was on sale. Oh, look at these colors, guys. Happiness. This is makeup happiness. This is crazy. They are just so beautiful colors, and the pigment on them. We were playing with them at Morphe before we even got it, guys. And I do love how with them, you know, they give you all the little bitty names on it, so you know what everything is called. That way, let me see, put it back this way. When you put it back over, let's say you're looking at like one of those tutorials on how to do it and they tell you the color. I mean, I love this, guys. You get not just your palette, you get all the names of all your colors. And now that I have finally shared it with you guys, I can finally play in it and have some fun with this, which I'm pretty sure my oldest daughter is going to want to play with this as well because it's Morphe. And I love it. It is amazing. But anyway, guys, this was everything. This is all of my unbagging that I wanted to share with you guys. That way I can start putting everything kind of where I want it and, you know, getting my candles put up, getting all my soaps put up and stuff. So this was it. I hope this was maybe gave you some ideas what to go buy. Actually, you know what? Comment down below. If you're a huge Bath & Body Works person, comment down below. Let me know. If you've ever bought Morphe before and you love it, let me know. If you have any videos that you would recommend that have, you know, tutorials with this specific palette, the 35F, put them down in the comments and let me know because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just learning every day, brand new look. I never know how to do it. It's really hard for me to replicate my looks because I kind of just throw some makeup on my face and say, all right, let's go, guys. I know y'all are like, Girl, this girl just keeps talking and talking, but that's just me. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, guys. Love y'all.